In this video, I'm going to explain how to use MyPay on Chime. So the first thing I want to tell you is how MyPay actually works on Chime. So MyPay gives you access to your money before payday, which is awesome. Now with authorization, any outstanding MyPay balance will be automatically repaid from your direct deposits to a Chime checking account from eligible sources, which is great, okay? Now, the best part is that no credit checks and no interest and no mandatory fees will be present when you're doing this. And here's how it works. So first, you will have to set up a direct deposit. Now, if you haven't already, open a Chime checking account, and then to use MyPay, you'll need to have the following, okay? You'll have to have two qualifying direct deposits of $200 or more within the last 36 days, or one qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the last 36 days, plus additional verification like your work email or address during enrollment. Or the third option, one qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the last 36 days from a government benefits payer. Now, you'll also need to meet other eligibility requirements outlined in the MyPay agreement, and you can read all about that on their website. Now, after that, you'll have to check your available amount, so after enrollment, visit the MyPay hub in the Chime app to see how much money is available to you for an advance. And then the third step is to choose your advance amount. So your maximum available advance per day period is based on your estimated income, okay? So it's dependent on your income. Credit limits range from $20 to $500, and they may change over time, so be aware of that. Simply follow the prompts in the app to select the amount you want to advance, and then at any time, the amount you can advance will be equal to or less than your overall credit limit. Both limits are displayed in the Chime app, so you can essentially keep track of all of it. Now, you then have to select the speed. So you have a scheduled and an instant advance. So a scheduled advance is deposited to your checking account within 24 hours, which is fee-free. However, over here, where you have this instant advance, you can get funds immediately for $2 per advance. So you have two options. This one is free of all charge, however, this one costs $2 per advance, so if you need cash really quick, this one might be the one for you. However, you'll have to pay $2 of fee. So that's pretty much it. That's how to use MyPay on Chime. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.